Hey, what's going on, everyone? Todd G here, and in this Internet Income System review and bonuses video, I'm going to address a top question. Can I really make money with affiliate marketing? But first, I would appreciate it if you click on the subscribe button below and like this video by clicking the thumbs up icon below as well. And if you stick around until the end, I'm going to show you how to access an awesome bonus package when you decide to partner with me and sign up to the Internet Income System review with my link below this video. Okay, so before I answer the question, can I really make money with affiliate marketing? I want to talk a little bit about affiliate marketing. Now, affiliate marketing is a referral-based business where you earn a commission when you refer someone to a product or service. You get a special link coded to you, and when someone purchases through that link, you get a commission. Affiliate marketing is, in my opinion, the easiest and best business for people to start earning money online, especially beginners. You don't have to worry about all of the headaches around creating products, customer support, fulfillment of products, etc. All you need to do is refer people with your affiliate link, aka website. Now, there are a lot of companies that have affiliate programs: Walmart, Amazon, Best Buy, and the list goes on and on. These companies love affiliate marketing because they get hundreds and even thousands of people to promote their products, and they don't even have to pay them unless someone purchases those products. So affiliate marketing really is a mainstream concept, and having thousands of commission-based affiliates working for you just makes good business sense. Now, not all affiliate programs are created equal. For example, Walmart and Amazon pay less than 10% commissions, usually less than 5% for referrals. So let's just say you referred someone to Amazon and they buy a $100 TV, you would earn $5. Sounds amazing, right? Not so much. So let's bring this back to the Internet Income System review and bonuses. Can I really make money with affiliate marketing question? Now, the Internet Income System is the fastest system to make money online, hands down. Why? Because everything is done for you. All the pages, the systems, the funnels, the tracking, and the hard techie stuff that scares most people. Also, with 100% instant commissions and instant $100 payments, there's no better way to start earning daily money online. You get paid immediately and directly to your account. There's no waiting weeks or even months to get paid like most of those affiliate programs. So the next big question is, but how do I get people to sign up for the Internet Income System? Another great question. First, the Internet Income System is rolling out a new traffic rotator. The Internet Income System will send all active members traffic from ads that the company places on various platforms like Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, etc. Now, how cool is that? I mean, IIS is spending money to send you leads. Super cool. Secondly, the bonus training provided by Chris Record and Atlas Academy, worth over $2,000, teaches you all about ways to get people to see your link and sign up under you. Now, Atlas stands for Affiliate Traffic Leads and Sales, and that's exactly what Chris Record teaches inside of the Atlas Academy. Don't want to put your face out there or scared to be on camera? No problem. There's a whole academy on faceless marketing. There's also an entire academy on viral clipping and using OPC, which stands for Other People's Content. Now, other modules include AI marketing, paid marketing, affiliate marketing, etc. Now, this is fresh and current training. Training that has been proven to work from 8-figure earner and marketing legend Chris Record. It's the best online training available today, especially for beginners and people that don't want to put their face out there or are scared to be on camera. Now make sure you click the link below to get all of the details about the Internet Income System, review and bonuses, and also all of the details about the amazing bonuses worth over $2,000 with the Atlas Academy review. So to wrap this video up, to answer the question, can I make money with affiliate marketing? Well, the short answer is yes. The Internet Income System has paid out over $670,000 in just the past 6 months. But with anything, making money online and making money with affiliate marketing takes either time, money, or both. If you have more time than money, then you will need to learn the skills to produce the 3 C's: create, capture, and convert. Now, Chris Record teaches you how to do all this with the Atlas Academy training modules. If you have more money than time, Atlas Academy also has awesome training on paid marketing and how to generate traffic, leads, and sales with paid traffic. Make sure you click the link below to get all of the details about the Internet Income System, review and bonuses, and also get all the details about the amazing bonuses worth over $2,000 with the Atlas Academy review. Now, one final note. Once the Internet Income System gets their paid ads dialed in, they will share the data so that you can create similar ads that are producing results. Chris Record will provide training on the exact strategies that are working now so that you can duplicate these results. Okay, that's it for this Internet Income System review and bonuses. Can I really make money with affiliate marketing video? Take care, and I will see you in the next video.